You may have heard of electronic ink. It's easy to read. It doesn't wash out with glare. It's actually been around for 2 decades, just about, and it has some incredible possibilities for the future. Our Mike Wancombe shows us in tonight's Cutting Edge.
You know, it's like starting off, with a Model T and now having a Ferrari. So
the technology sector is so fast-paced and ever-changing, it's rare they have an opportunity to look back. But in the case of Billerica-based E-Ink, they actually have a museum of past accomplishments.
This was the first electronic ink, and it was basically white particles in a blue dye.
Mike McCreary is Chief Technology Officer at E-Ink. The company spun out of the MIT Media Lab in 1997.
Electronic books didn't exist.
But those books changed everything for this startup in 2007.
Jeff Bezos went on TV with Oprah, and Oprah said, "This is the best thing, in the world. I'm going to give one to everybody." And it just took off to millions a year, and we were scrambling to keep up with the demand.
Millions of Kindles still sell every year, and E-Ink's technology keeps advancing.
We can make any color at any pixel without having a color filter array.
What looks like a photograph is really electronic ink. Change your mind, change the picture. You're probably saying, I can do that with my LCD screen on a smartphone. But here is where the difference comes in.
It doesn't consume any power, so it can stay that way for years. And we have examples of displays that, we've switched 10 years ago and still show the same image.
Commuter updates or emergency messages using the ink don't disappear when the power goes out. The ink doesn't need backlighting, and it's easy to read in bright sunlight, unlike LCDs. And now they're taking it to another level.
This is Prismacolor changing film. Flexible, movable, and a solid picture. But add a little electricity, and suddenly the colors can change.
The new film could be used to decorate a wall, or even a tabletop. Or this. You have a blue car today, tomorrow it could be red. E-Ink has already sold 10 million of these store labels and price tags that can change in an instant. Not just in the store, but perhaps across the entire chain, alerting shoppers to an instant sale. The research and innovation and much of the managing takes place right here in the Bay State.
There's actually a pilot test program going on with a T right now. Look for some of the solar-powered transportation signage right along the Green Line. Mike Wancombe, WCVB News Center 5.